Welcome to a new Christianity Engaged video. In Has Science Proven There Is No God?, we reviewed the most amazing scientific discoveries over the last 100 years and concluded that none of these remarkable findings disprove the existence of God. In this video, we'd like to explore Einstein's theory of relativity in depth and see if we can uncover any fundamental concepts that point directly to God. Einstein's theory of relativity completely altered our understanding of physics. You've probably seen Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared, which means energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. The speed of light squared is a really big number, so Einstein determined that an enormous amount of energy could be unlocked from a very small amount of matter. And he was right. Splitting an atom creates a huge explosion in a process called nuclear fission, which led to the invention of the atomic bomb that ended World War II. It's also used in nuclear power plants to create energy today. The theory of relativity is based on the simple idea that light, and specifically the speed of light, is the only constant in the universe. Everything else is relative. To illustrate, imagine for a moment you and I are in a moving vehicle traveling at a constant speed, and I throw a ball to you at 50 miles per hour. Relative to us, the ball would be traveling 50 miles per hour. But if the vehicle is traveling 50 miles per hour and we throw a ball to someone outside the vehicle in the same direction, relative to them, the ball would be traveling 100 miles per hour. The speed of the vehicle plus the speed of force behind the ball. Not so with the speed of light. If we're in a glass spaceship traveling half the speed of light and we shine a flashlight forward, the light will travel at the speed of light no matter what. Unlike the ball, it will not travel at the speed of light plus the speed of the spaceship. According to Einstein's theory, the speed of light is the same for all observers, regardless of the speed of the source. This has astonishing implications, including altering time itself. In an attempt to explain this incredible concept, imagine we're traveling at the speed of light in a spaceship that is 10 light years wide. If we shine a flashlight towards the other side of the spaceship, it's going to take 10 years for light to reach it. But think about it. To someone outside the spaceship, they would see the light travel diagonally and cover a considerably longer distance to reach the other side. Speed equals distance over time. If the speed of light is the same for all observers, but they observe the light cover a greater distance, then the amount of time it took for the same light to reach the other side of the spaceship had to be different for them. Thus, even time is relative. As you can see, the theory of relativity has astonishing implications, and we haven't even begun to cover them all. But I wonder if Einstein's theory has any fundamental concepts that point directly to God. The theory of relativity says the speed of light is the only constant in the universe. Even space and time can change depending on our frame of reference. The Bible says God is light and repeatedly uses the word light to describe God, who, like the speed of light, is also unchanging. According to relativity, the speed of light is the maximum speed any known object can travel. And if traveling at the speed of light, an object's mass would increase infinitely, as would the energy required to move it. According to the Bible, God is all-present, existing everywhere at once, which sounds very similar to having an infinite mass. God is also described as being all-powerful, which is very similar to possessing infinite energy. Finally, according to relativity, if traveling at the speed of light, in addition to having infinite mass and requiring infinite energy, time would stop. That's right, if you traveled at the speed of light, time would literally decrease to zero. The Bible says God is responsible for creating space and time, and that He is eternal, having no beginning and no end. He's not bound by time at all. I'm not suggesting that traveling at the speed of light explains all of God's characteristics, or that He's even bound by the laws of physics He created, but I do find these parallels remarkably interesting. And I wouldn't be surprised if Einstein did too. Though he was not known as being a religious man, he was quoted saying, "The more I study science, the more I believe in God." Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to know. Click here to subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out these other videos from Christianity Engaged. If you'd like to help us make more videos like these, please consider a tax-deductible donation by clicking the link in the description. Thanks, and God bless.